So what's up, everybody? This is Joseph with Vision Garage. I'm here to talk about my 2013 BMW 328i. Also, to formally introduce myself, I've got several videos up already about some of the modifications that I've done to this car. I got this car last October. Previous to this, I had an Infiniti G35 Coupe 6MT. It was totaled in a car accident. I was rear-ended and stopped with 3 other cars. Anyway, it totaled the car out. So I feel fortunate that even though the car's not here anymore, I had the car for 10 years, that I'm okay health-wise. So moving on from that, I wanted to get something that was a little bit more practical for the family. At the time I got the G35, I didn't have my 2 sons. And even though the G35, I could put them in the back, it's just a lot more conducive to get something that's 4-door sedan. So I've always liked BMW, from the E30, the E40 series, E46, and the E92s, I love those as well. Now the F30, now they have the current G series. Those are looking pretty good as well. 30, I went with it because it's a little bit more updated interior and things like that. And I wanted to get something that didn't have a lot of miles on it and whatnot. Anyway, I got this one with 35,000 miles on it. It was an excellent deal on it, so I couldn't pass it up. I really didn't want to go with black because I've had a black car in the past and they're extremely difficult to maintain, especially this jet black with non-metallic paint. Just a flat jet black is extremely difficult to keep all the marring and scratches and everything out of it. But anyway, moving on. So thanks for checking out the video today, and like I said, I've got some more videos coming up here soon with me installing the M Sport rear bumper and wrapping the steering wheel and